Hello friends, we will move ahead with the topics that we are about to learn. You have something called as data definition language statements. Now what is this, sir? Data definition language statements. You will understand, just read those statements. It is used to define data structures in SQL. Structure which is holding the data, table is the structure that holds the data. To define that, so many things you have. There are 4 Ddl commands in SQL. Alter, drop, truncate. Fourth one is rename. Alter, drop, truncate, rename. Now they're asking the query. Write a query to alter the table by adding the column location ID. See, before I solve the query, alteration word, have you heard of it? Maybe to your home alteration you would have done. Sometimes for body parts also alteration will be done in the crime story, crime news and all. Correct? Now to the home, if you will want to alter, you can add one room to your home, extra room. One room you had, you can convert it to hall, means you can delete the room. All those alterations you can do. Same way, to the table also, you can add a column, which is alteration. You can remove a column, that is alteration. All those alterations to the table also we can do. Sir, how, sir? Read that query. Write a query to alter the table departments by adding the column location ID. Now say supposing departments don't have location ID, you want to add it. Okay, sir, how we will add? Like this, see. I am not creating or inserting or deleting or updating. I am altering. That is why I tell, look, database management software, you please alter. Alter what? Table. Which table? You have here, departments. So many alterations you can do, as I told you. You can add a column, delete a column, what you want to do. See, you add a column is what the question is telling. I tell add. What column? Which column? Location ID. If you will stop here, it will not work. You have to tell this location ID column in future what type of data it accepts. Don't you think while creating the table also, we told this column in future will accept integer type of data, something like that? Here also you can tell this column in future will accept number type of data. Number or integer, both are same. This number will be of 5 in length. You can stop. Maximum 5 in length it will be. Anyway, or you can simply tell of integer. You need not worry. Anyway, this is how you will add a column. Please be quick. Next one. Look at the query. Write a query to rename the column department name to DEPT name. You have a column by name department name. That you have to change it to DEPT name, it seems. Okay, sir. That is also alteration only. That is why I tell alter table departments. What is that alteration you are doing? I am not adding the column, removing the column. I am renaming the column. That is why I tell rename. Rename this column. Which column? department name. To what is a new value? To DEPT NAME. To DEPT NAME. Anyway, please be quick. Next one, you have write a query to drop the table job grades. Now what is that, sir? Dropping the table. See, if you will tell delete from job grades, it is not that entire table only will be deleted off. Means data inside the table will be deleted. Something like this. Say supposing you left the lab. Everyone in the lab, you left the lab. It is not that lab only will be collapsed off. What is that? Data inside the lab, students inside the lab has left. Same as the case with delete also. Data inside the table has deleted. But what about the table structure? The table structure will remain as it is with empty data, nothing data inside that. If you will want to collapse off the data structure only, the table structure only, if you will want to collapse off, you can always use a command called as drop. Okay, sir, how to use? Like this. They are asking me to drop job grades table. That is why I tell drop table. Which table? Job grades. This table I want to collapse off completely. Anyway, copy this query. Please be quick. Next one, you have write a query to delete the rows in the departments table permanently. In the departments table permanently you want to delete, it seems. What is that, sir? Permanent deletion. Forget about departments table for some time. We'll work with employees table. Okay? Maybe I tell delete from employees. Okay, sufficient. Now, what happens if I tell this delete from employees? No condition I am specifying. Correct. All 20 rows in this will get deleted. Okay, click on run. Just scroll down. 20 rows deleted. Is this permanent deletion or not? If you will ask me, no, it is not permanent deletion. How are you telling, sir? Just type rollback. Rollback means undo the changes. Click on run. Statement processed. Now tell select star from employees. Execute only that statement. Click on run. Where have you deleted? Sir, I have deleted, sir. I have executed this query. Yes, but it is not permanent deletion. Then how to delete it permanently, sir? To delete permanently only, one more command we have. What is that, sir? One more command. Write a query to delete the rows in departments table permanently. I am not deleting. If I will use delete command, it is temporary deletion. I tell truncate. Truncate means permanently delete. What? Table departments. Now if I will execute this, all the rows in the departments table will get deleted permanently. If I will tell rollback also, it will not work. Sir, then what is the difference between delete and truncate, sir? Is it temporary deletion and permanent deletion alone? No, not alone. In simpler words, I will tell you. See, if I will tell delete from departments, I can always roll back. But if I will tell delete from departments and then commit, means delete off, save off. If I will tell this, now if I will tell rollback, what will rollback do? Correct. It will undo the changes until last commit. Before commit, how can you undo the changes? What I meant to say exactly is, delete followed by commit is nothing but truncate. Delete followed by commit, don't you think it is permanent deletion? If you will roll back also, it will not work. Same as the case with truncate. What I meant to say is, you need not roll back. Truncate cannot be rollbacked. But delete can be rollbacked. Delete followed by commit can't be rollbacked. So according to this formula, delete followed by commit and truncate both are same. You use delete and commit or you use truncate, both are same. Anyway, they are asking me to delete the rows permanently. You please use truncate command so that you will showcase to the interviewer that you know truncate also. If you want, you tell this also. Sir, I will write this followed by commit. Anyway, please be quick. Now, this is about data definition language statement. Alter, drop, truncate and rename. Okay, sir. Next what? Next you have a query there. Get first name from employees table after replacing O with dollar. What they are asking is, if at all you have O in the first name, replace it with dollar and show. Actually speaking, you have a function by name replace, which is one of the character manipulation function. You remember? Character function is divided into two: case manipulation function, character manipulation function. Replace is one of the character manipulation function. There I did not tell. Here you have one query. Anyway, how to replace the O with dollar, sir, in first name? Like this. See, take out means select. Select what? First name and show it to the user, but before showing, you please replace the data O with the symbol dollar and you show this from employees. Anyway, replace is the function name. Please be quick. Next, see this query is a tricky query. They are asking me select 20% of salary from John, 10% of salary from Roy, and for others 15% of salary from employees table. What they are asking is, if at all the first name is John, then you have to take out 20% salary and you have to show. If at all the first name is Roy, then you have to take out 10% salary and you have to show. If at all any other name you have apart from John and Roy, you have to take out 15% of salary and you have to show. How will you do it? One hint I can give you. One of the programming language concept you have to apply here to solve this query. Programming language concept. Can you guess which one? You have to use the if else control construct to do this, or else if ladder control construct you have to use. Else if ladder. How, sir? Say supposing the same question I will do it in Java. Say supposing if I will do it in Java, then something like this you would do. Something like this you would do. If at all the first name matches with John, then system dot out dot println. What you have to print? 20% of salary, which is nothing but salary into 0.2. Don't you think so? Like that. Else, if at all, this first name is equals to Roy, then system dot out dot println salary into 0.10, 10% of the salary. Finally, else system dot out dot println salary into 0.15, 15%, close the else block. What you are doing is using else if ladder. This same concept you have to use in SQL, because one of the programming languages concept you are using in SQL, I can never call simply it as SQL. I will be calling it as PLSQL. Programming language, structured query language. Because one of the programming language concept I am using SQL. Oh, okay, sir. How to do this? You have if in SQL? You have else in SQL? No. Concept you have. Words are different. Okay, sir. How words are different? Like this. If means case. First name is first name only. Equal to operator is when. Opening flower braces is then. See, if first name equal to John, then system.out.println. Case first name when John, then take out salary into 0.2. Simple. Okay, sir. What about this? Else if. You don't have else if. Once again, equal to means when, then. Okay, sir. What about else? Else means else only. Else keyword you have. Else, take out this. Case is the starting keyword of if. Here if will not end. Of course, else, if you tell else closing bracket is ending of the if, else if ladder. But case should always end with the end keyword. Now, what is this, sir? So many things you have told of. Write and show that query. Simple. See, I tell take out. See, take out, select. By casing this first name, if that first name is John, first name, casing that first name, when John, see, case that first name, when John, then salary into 0.2. You take out this. Oh, sorry, else if you don't have. Directly when, yes, see, when Roy, then, see, when Roy, then take out salary into 0.10. Else you have, else. Else what, sir? Salary into 0.15. Anything else you have? No. Case has started, case should end. Case has started, case should end. Take out this salary into 0.2, salary into 0.10, salary into 0.15 from employees. There if, here case, both are same. I hope I am clear. Anyway, copy both for your understanding. Please be quick. Anyway, please try the next one. Try solving it. See, you have a very important query. If at all you are attending 10 interviews of SQL, in 8 they will ask this question as well as the next question. Solving this is a tricky one. Select top 2 salary from employees table. Top 2 salary means in employees table, the top 2 salary I have to select. Maybe the first salary, top highest salary is 53,000. The second highest is 36,000. No, sorry, 43,000. 53,000 and 43,000 is the salaries, the top 2 salaries, correct? How to take out only those two? You have to apply some logic here. What is that logic, sir? Carefully concentrate. Maybe I tell select salary from employees order by salary DESC. What I meant to tell is, I am taking out salary column and ordering it in descending order and displaying, correct? Oh, if I will do that, the first salary, what will I get is 53,000. Now according to the data. Now I have the employees table with me. According to this data only I am writing. First I will get 53,000. Later I will get 43,000. Followed by I will get 36,000. Then I will get 32,500 and so on. This is salary column. Don't you think so? Means I have taken out salary column. In descending order I have arranged it. Now if you carefully see, if I am capable of taking out the first two rows from this, then I have achieved the task. Why? Because these two are only the top highest salaries, top two highest salaries, correct? Okay, sir. How will you take out only these two columns from this? Very simple. See, I will tell, select. What to select, sir? Salary only. From where to select, sir? From this you select. Select salary from this, sir. From will always take table as the name, no, sir. From class, you should give table. Yes, don't you think this is also a table? With one column and multiple rows, this is also a table. That is what I told. Select salary from this table. What table? This table. Maybe like this you have not seen before. Correct. Select salary from this table. This table. Okay, sir. If you will select salary from this table, this only you will get. Correct. I also know that only I will get. But you have one more concept to be learned. What is that concept, sir? Every row in this will be associated with one number. See, this is first number, second row, third row, fourth row, like that, so on. Whatever you are seeing here, this is row number. I have to take out salary from this table. I have to take out salary from this table wherever the row number is less than 3. Correct. Wherever the row number is less than 3, from there take out salary from this. Don't you think? Less than 3 means this two only. 1 and 2. That only you will be taking out and showing to the user. That only is the highest first and second salary. Sir, will it work, sir? You only see. The same query has been typed here, where row number is less than 3. Just execute it. Scroll down. 53,000, 43,000. Top two salaries you are taking out. I hope I am completely clear. Anyway, copy the query, copy the output. Please be quick. See, if they will ask top 2, you have written row number less than 3. If they will ask top 3, correct, row number less than 4. Top 4, row number less than 5. Like the top n if they will ask. Row number less than n minus 1. Correct. Top any number you can write. I hope I am completely clear. Next query you have. Select second highest salary from employees table. Second highest salary from employees table. Okay, sir. How to take out second highest salary? Can you tell how will you take out? Only second highest salary you have to take out. Means 43,000 should be output. I know. Most of you sitting there would tell, sir, simple. For this, take out lesser than. Simply put equal to 2. Select salary from employees, order by salary DSC. This is what you will get. From that select salary, from this, where row number equal to 2, row number equal to 2, 43,000. You only check whether it will work or not. The same query, whatever you have told you, na? Row number simply equal to 2, you put second highest salary, you will get. Click on run. No data found. Why, sir? No data found. 43,000 is not there. You have. Then why, sir? No data found. The problem is with this equal to operator. What is that, sir? Problem is with equal to operator. Which equal to operator you are telling? This equal to operator only. Where row number less than, row number equal to 2. Go to the previous videos, whatever I have told. Just recollect. Where clause always will accept a condition on a column name. Don't you think so? First name equal to, last name equal to, salary less than, salary in between, first name like, all those first name, last name, salary, are those columns were present in employees table. But where is this row number present? What is row number? Row number is also a column. I am not telling no, but is that column present in some table? No. That is why I call it as pseudo column, a false column. Like how sys date we have used the false column to take out the system state. Same way, row number is also a false column. Equal to operator cannot work with the false columns or pseudo columns. Ayyo, sir, if equal to operator cannot work with the pseudo columns, how will we take out 43,000, sir, the second highest salary? Once again, think, apply your logics. Think what can be done. What I will do is, I will keep the previous query as it is, where row number less than 3. Now, if this query is getting executed, what will be the output? Now, this query, if this query is getting executed, what will be the output? First to 2 salaries, first to 2 highest salaries means this only. Now, from this, only this I have to take out. How? Very simple, yaar. Out of these 2, if I am able to take out the minimum of these 2, then don't you think the second highest salary I am taking out? Means don't take out entire salary column. Please take out the minimum of salary column from this, where row number is less than 3. Wherever row number is less than 3, from there take out minimum. That is only second highest. Sir, if you want third highest, make this as 4. Sir, if you want fourth highest, make this as, sorry, third highest 4. So minimum of that you will get. Fourth highest 5. I hope I am completely clear. Anyway, let this be less than 3 only, because second highest salary I am taking out. Let us see whether second highest salary 43,000 is being fetched or not. Click on run. So 43,000. Why? Because I never used equal to operator. But minimum of that I am fetching. Anyway, copy the query along with the output. Please be quick. Next, very important one. If there are two tables EMP1 and EMP2 and both have common records, how will I fetch all the records but common records only once? Read the question carefully again. If there are two tables EMP1 and EMP2 and both have some common records, how will I fetch all the records but common records which is present in both, but only once you have to fetch? Oh, okay, sir. How should we do this? One concept in mathematics you have studied in your primary, higher, in your PU also you have studied. Which is that concept? Maybe you know or you don't know. You know or you don't know. I don't know. Sets is the concept you have learnt, and the concept of sets is what I will apply here. Sir, sets concept. Which concept, sir? All those union, intersection, minus, all those things you have learnt. Maybe just in 2 minutes I will revise of sets for my satisfaction, not for your satisfaction. I know you know sets very well. Mathematics you are A1. But simply for my satisfaction, I will revise of sets once. According to me, set always is represented like this. I have a set A which contains so many elements in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B also I have, which contains 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. If at all I want to perform union operation on this, then A union B is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Common elements only once I should write, but all the elements present in both I should be writing. See, common elements only once and all the elements present in both I have written. That is what A union B is. Okay, sir. Then what is A intersection B. A intersection B is what and all common elements you have in this. Only that you have to take out and you have to show. That is A intersection B. Oh, okay, sir. Then what is A minus B? Very simple. A minus B means all the elements present in A you have to show, but that should not be present in B. All the elements present in A but not in B is nothing but A minus B. All the elements present in A but not in B, 4, 5, 6 is present in A. Is 4, 5, 6 present in B? No, that is what A minus B is. Okay, sir. Then what is B minus A? All the elements present in B but not in A. See, all the elements present in B but not in A. Where is 7, 8, 9 present in A? 1, 2, 3 present in A. But 7, 8, 9 it is not present in A. So B minus A is 7, 8 and 9. Based on concept of this sets, we will solve this query. They are asking me if there are two tables, EMP1 and EMP2, and both have common records like this. How can I fetch all the records but common records only once? So I should be using the union operation. How, sir? Very simple. I have to fetch all the records from EMP1 first. I tell select star from EMP1. Along with that, I have to take out all the elements from EMP2, all the records from EMP2. But common records only once I should take. Union is the keyword I should be using. Select star from EMP1, union that with select star from EMP2, you will get the answer. Anyway, copy this query. Try solving the next two queries, whatever you have. Please be quick. Next one. How to fetch only common records from two tables, EMP1 and EMP2. Only common records from EMP1 and EMP2. How will you fetch it? Very simple. You should be using intersection operation, but the keyword what you have to use is intersect. Of course, you know, keywords are not case sensitive. Before I have written everything in capital, now in init cap case. Please be quick. Anyway, how can I retrieve all records of EMP1? Those should not be present in EMP2. Present in EMP1 but not present in EMP2. Correct. The operation is minus and the keyword is also minus. Minus select star from EMP1 minus select star from EMP2. All the records present in EMP1 minus all the records present in EMP2. Please be quick. Anyway, so many things in the SQL we have learnt till now. Starting from what is data, what is database, what was happening before 1970s, when did database management software came into existence, including history of Oracle database management software, why we need SQL, what is the purpose of SQL, why you have to learn SQL, along with that, what do you mean by managing, how to store the data, whatever you have in ledger onto the hard disk, how to retrieve efficiently, how to use arithmetic operators as symbols, relational operators, concatenation operator. When solution is not given by these symbolic operators, we moved on to the keywords as operators. In operator, between and operator, like operator, distinct keyword. So many things we have seen. When solutions for different situations is not given by these keywords, we moved on to functions. Different functions we have seen. Not only that, multi-row functions gave us some problems. To overcome that, we used having clause, group by clause. Once again, to order our output, we used order by clause. Whenever a raw data to specify some condition we didn't know, we moved on to subqueries. But subqueries had a problem. It was not efficient. We moved on to the concept of joins. So many types of joins you have learnt. Along with joins, DML, TCL, DDL, so many language statements you have learnt. Some part of PL SQL also you have learnt. And how to fetch top 2 salaries, second highest salaries, all these things you have learnt. Anyway, it's a great journey of SQL. This video, I will stop it here. Thank you very much.